Welcome to my newest listing. This is the reason that I got my real estate license. I actually wanted to purchase this house as an investor in 2013. When I purchased this house as an investor, I hired a local expert real estate agent. This local expert real estate agent walked me through the process. However, when it came to negotiating this actual property, I felt like he fell short. The particular property, when I bought it, it needed foundation repair. I had gotten it below $100,000. You have to remember this is 11 years ago. He felt like it was included in the price. I felt like it wasn't. He pushed me and pushed me and pushed me just to accept the contract as is, even though we had found out that there was foundation issues. I, however, told him I would be more than happy to split it with the seller, which I felt like was more than generous. He complained and hemmed and hawed. I feel like mostly because he was worried about earning his commission instead of about working for me and what I needed. I even told him, don't worry about it. I promise I'm going to close on something and you'll get paid. I just don't want to buy anything when it's not a good deal. I actually walked away from this home. I told the seller, I get it. You can't afford to sell it to me for that price. Go ahead, put it back on the market. You now have to disclose to everyone that it has foundation issues. However, if you change your mind and I haven't closed on anything else, I will buy it for half the foundation repair plus the price we agreed on. Just let me know. Sure enough, 3 weeks later, they came back and I got my way. That's when I figured out I was a better negotiator in real estate than my agent. Got my license and then in 2014 launched my real estate career.